Hello guys, today I bring a cassette deck, double cassette deck with a duplicator system. I don't know what to call to this thing, but it's a very nice one. I do like it a lot. It's a Tascam 302 and he has a problem that I tried to look on YouTube and everywhere, and this problem is nobody actually explain how to fix it or have a good overview of the problem. But let's get on it. So let's test it. First things first, I connected to the power. Let's see if we have power. We have power. I'm gonna remind you guys that I already fixed this one, but I put back with the problem because then it's easier to tell you guys what I have done. So yeah, you cannot listen, but let me try a tape, and maybe you can listen, eh? But even when nothing is playing and you put the volume on a maximum, you can listen. That being said, I put already out of option the motor problem, like the buzz from the motor. The motor has an issue with the mass, so it's not that, because you listen even when when the power is only on, nothing is playing. So let's go to the next step. We're gonna open. I'm gonna explain you guys what I have done, and then we test it again. So my problem, I think, really realizing here. So because I have an account on iFi engine, so if you notice here, I have the schematics, and here is where it comes the power source. Yeah. And here is our capacitors, the big ones. And I notice we have here FR3, FR2, and somewhere FR1. A resist fuse. I don't know what is a resist fuse. And this is our capacitor. So by the schematics, this is FR1, and you see there FR2, FR3. And I think this one looks a little bit thinner than these ones. So I have now a multimeter, and we're gonna test a few things. So these ones, they have a link, but this one, it didn't then stop. It doesn't do nothing. So I think it's something wrong with this one. Here we have our capacitor, should be then this one and that one. So let's get it. Is enough. One of the sides out. So I think this is really damaged. You're gonna see a picture later. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna go to ohms, 200. We're gonna see what we can measure for this. Let's see if you guys can see. Okay, see, it should be a value super small. So that means we could just link it and it would be okay, because it's doing almost nothing. But because I saw also on the schematics the list of the components, and says that is 16 NK, should be nano Ks, and then 1/6 watts. So whatever this thing does, when it's out of those values, it doesn't work anymore. So I can't find it. I have actually resistors from 1 until 4 watts. So, and I'm gonna find one that is 1 ohm, because I think it's the minimal that I have. And I have them right here for you guys to see. Yeah, I'm gonna use this thing. So we have this one here, and we're gonna put it there. The work of this thing, you're gonna feed this capacitor, is right on the line. So if you was not working, means this capacitor is not doing its job, and maybe that is a problem. Okay guys, let's get it. So let's see. Power on, and things first. Oh, no buzz. No buzz, my friends. As you see, amazing. And for us to test it in a very good way, we're gonna put our headphones, and you can see it. No buzz. So that's cool. So guys, I really hope this video can help you to fix some of your antique cassette decks and other things. Sometimes just open your mind a little bit. And hey, you don't need to follow me because I don't put many videos. You don't need to put like or subscribe. But if you want to, you're welcome. Thank you. Bye guys.